So hi team, good morning everyone. So coming to the previous classes, I discussed about what is Salesforce and some information regarding Salesforce, and also I created an account in Salesforce. Okay, these are all the things which had been done in my previous classes. And coming the I think in Friday class, I hope I introduced it regarding the practical things in Salesforce, like what is campaign account, how the users will be converted that particular campaign into like leads into accounts, contact and opportunities. For example, if the customers are been interested in that particular product, immediately the case will be registered for that appropriate person. So these are all the information which had been discussed in yesterday class. Okay, these are all the information which had been discussed in yesterday classes. So coming to the today's class, let's see some more other things. Okay, I'm sharing my screen and let's start the agenda. Okay, is my screen is visible to everyone? Is my
Yes,
screen
sir.
is visible to
Yeah.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, okay, so whatever it may be, just I'll start with the exact sales. Richard and Tanu and Michael, everyone created Salesforce accounts.
Yeah.
What about Tanu?
Yeah, I have done it.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Tanu. So, coming to the today's class, I'm starting with the main agenda. Okay, so what is an application? Okay, this is the first fundamentals. Mainly, whenever we are creating, okay, first of all, we need to do this particular thing. Let's go step by step. For example, University of London has been approached you to create an application. Okay, like University of London. Okay, they had been approached you. Just imagine they had been approached you. Okay, they don't have any sufficient application. Okay, for designing in a software, so they asked you, there is no a sufficient a good application for them. Okay, they approached you to design using Salesforce. Okay, University of East London, they asked you to create an application using Salesforce. Let's see. Okay, first of all, we need to create an application. We need to create an application. After creating an application, we need to create an objects inside that particular application. Okay, inside this objects, we need to create a fields. Okay, after creating fields, we need to create a page layout. After creating a page layout, I need to create a record type. Okay, these are the first steps we need to create. Okay, this is the first step we need to create. After creating all these things, we need to go further for the relationships. Okay, validation rules, each and everything. Okay, before going to that, first of all, let's see these fundamentals. Okay, first of all, let's create an application. After that, let's create an object inside that particular application. After that, we need to create the fields. Let's go one by one. First of all, let's see application. Okay, what is application? An app in Salesforce, objects, fields, relationships, etc. Okay, an app in Salesforce is set of objects, fields, and relationships. Okay, what is an app? An app in Salesforce is set of, there are different types of apps in Salesforce. Standard apps and custom apps. Okay, standard apps are by default created by Salesforce. Standard apps are created by Salesforce, and custom apps are created based on the customer requirements. Okay, and coming to custom apps, these are created based on the customer requirements. Okay, based on the customer requirement. Is my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so custom apps are created based on the customer requirements. Okay, there are different types of custom applications we can create. Either we can create a insurance applications, banking applications, e-commerce application, any types of applications we can create. Okay, coming to free developer edition. Okay, coming to free developer edition, we can create max of 10 custom applications. Okay, so on coming to unlimited edition, we can create unlimited number of custom applications. Okay, let's go to this particular Salesforce screen. Okay, everyone able to see my Salesforce screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to App Manager. Search for App Manager. Click on this. Each and everything what I'm showing, each and everything will be provided as steps. Okay, in the Notepad file. Okay, click on New Lightning app. So I created each and everything in a Notepad file. That particular thing are been shared to the drive. What are the things which I'm teaching? Each and everything. Okay, see what are the things which I'm teaching? Each and everything are been provided to you. Like multi-tenant architecture. So what about campaign? Each and everything. Okay, what I'm teaching, each and everything have been provided. Each and everything have been provided. Okay, just I mentioned some steps also. Each and everything have been provided. Let's see how to create an application. Okay, let's go to new Lightning app. What's my application name? University of East London. Okay, let's okay, University of London. Let's I mean download the logo. I think it looks good. Let's save image. Okay, let's click on save. Okay, let's click on upload button and let's upload this particular logo, whatever it may be. Okay, downloads. Let's click on open. Okay, I'm uploading this particular logo. I had been uploaded successfully. I'm clicking on next. I'm clicking on next. Clicking on next. Okay, so here we have objects. Okay, there are some standard objects that have been provided by Salesforce. Okay, if you need means mainly in each and every application, either insurance application, e-commerce application, either it's a banking application. In each and every application, some of the objects have been by default presented. Means we need to add it like account. So we have a contact. Okay, like in future if we need means you can add it. Normally I'm adding here contacts. So we have opportunities. Without leads, any project is possible. Definitely leads are very important. Leads will play a major role. Okay, so leads are the main point, whatever it may be in each and every project. So we have a campaign. Okay, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, campaigns, and also cases. Okay, after the project is resolved, whatever it may be, so we need to give some support to that appropriate person. These are all the common things. Okay, I'm clicking on next. So we need to place system administrator. If system administrator is not been placed, you cannot able to access that particular application. Okay, definitely you need to place system administrator as a selected profiles. Okay, we need to provide system administrator here. Yeah. Okay, I'm providing system administrator. I'm clicking on save and finish. If you did not provide system administrator, you cannot able to access the application. Okay, I'm saying again. Kindly please provide system administrator when you're selecting the profiles. Everyone able to clear still now what I'm discussing? Hello?
Yes, Venkat. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm clicking on
Clear.
save and finish. Means one application is created inside our Salesforce Orgon application. If you want to access, go to app launcher. What's my application name, Michael? University of London, UK. Okay, you can able to see my application. I'm clicking
Yes.
on this particular thing. Everyone able to see this is my application which I had been created.
Yes.
Anyone have any doubts like how to create an application? Everyone. Anyone have any doubts how to create an application?
This is the Lightning app, right?
Yes,
Whatever
yes,
you are
Lightning app.
creating.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. This is a
And
Lightning app.
selected object is in up. I mean the menu, and
Yes, we need to navigate to the app manager. Each and everything I provided. Okay, no worries. Each and everything I provided in the notepad file. Each and everything like navigation thing. Okay, like first we need to navigate the app manager. Each and everything I provided.
okay,
Okay, each and everything like this.
okay. You given the steps to proceed.
Yeah, each and everything I provided steps for your easy access. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Like within 2 days I'll upload in the drive. Okay. Like it will be provided for the registered students, each and everyone. Yeah. Yeah. What about other people? Tanu, Chandan, Navjot, any doubts on the creation of application?
No.
Any doubts? Okay, can I continue further? Can I continue further?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, let's continue further. Okay, this is the thing how to create an application. Let's see about enhance list view controller. Okay, let's see enhance list view controller. Enhance list view controller. What is enhance list view controller? So what is enhanced list view controller? Enhanced list view controller is nothing but, for example, like like the client needs some data. Okay, so each and everything the client needs some list of data, whatever it may be, either an account, how many accounts are created, so where industry is equal to agriculture. For example, you are dealing presently you are dealing with banking. Okay, banking sector. Okay, the client needs some data like how many people has been taken loan, where annual revenue is greater than 10 lakhs, and industry is greater, industry is agriculture. Like the client needs some data, whatever it may be. Okay, client needs some list of data, that in a PDF format. Then salespeople will contact based on the list of data. Then salespeople will contact. Okay, based on the list of data whatever provided by the Salesforce team. Okay. Okay, provided by Salesforce team. Let's see. Let's see this particular architecture, how to create a PDF, each and everything. Let's see. This is one topic. Okay. Everyone able to see the list control inside this particular list control. Click on new. Okay. So here I'm retrieving the data where industry, where annual revenue greater than 10,000. Okay. I'm clicking on save. I'm retrieving the data where annual revenue greater than 10,000. Okay. I'm clicking on add filter. Annual revenue greater than 10,000. Okay, means I'm retrieving that particular thing where the annual revenue is greater than 10,000. I'm clicking on done. Okay, I'm clicking on save. If you want to add any fields here, okay, just you need to click on select fields to display. Okay, you need to select annual revenue. Means here we are selecting the data where annual revenue greater than 10,000. Okay, let's click on add filter. So let's click on add. So 10,000. So we'll get all the records or greater than 20,000. Okay, to provide loads. Okay, we are taking the people who are annual revenue greater than 20,000. Okay, everyone able to see? Click on save. So we'll get all the people with annual revenue greater than 20,000. Okay, here we are getting some records. Okay, so means the people who does not have annual revenue, that particular records also I'm getting. Okay, let me try to add another filter logic, whatever it may be. Okay, another filter logic, like annual revenue is not equal to null. Okay, like I'm adding 1 and 2, both the things I need to apply. Okay, let me try to click on save. See, I'm getting the people where annual revenue is not equal to null, and in the similar way, so where annual revenue is greater than 20,000. Okay, both the 1 and 2 conditions satisfied, I'm getting all that particular records. If you want to click on printable view, okay, if you want to get on the printable view, immediately it will be generated as a PDF. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Click on print this page. So you can send this particular data to the client, whatever it may be. Okay, then immediately the salespeople will contact to all the phone numbers where annual revenue is greater than 20,000. Okay, let's click on print. Okay, go to downloads. Are you able to see everyone? Immediately some PDF has been generated for me.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, means outside people also we can send this particular PDF easily. Okay, whatever it may be. So each and everything, annual revenue greater than developer edition, each and every information has been provided successfully. Okay, whatever the things which we are teaching, the same thing it will be applied in the real time. So starting also I told. Okay, that's why. So what are the things which we are teaching? Okay, it will be the same thing will be applicable in real time also. Okay, so it will be easy for you when you are doing the real time. Coming to Salesforce, other technologies may be differentiated. Coming to Salesforce, whatever we are teaching, the same thing it will be repeated in the real time also. Like this, will send the PDF. Anyone have any doubts on this?
It's kind of a report view. I mean,
It's like a PDF, means not report. It's like a PDF. Like this particular PDF, we are sending to the client,
okay.
whatever it may be.
No,
Okay.
that is okay. But that whatever you, I mean, the list view, the controller, that we can create a
Oh,
new type of view. If I want to, okay, check only the 10 greater than 10,000, and so after some time I
yes,
want to check
yes,
only between 50,000 to 1 lakh. So like that, I can change
yes.
the filter. I can create a new
Yeah.
names. I can create the dashboard. So whenever I need a report, I can directly go and get it, and I can send it to the sales team.
Yeah, no, no, no. Reports and
Hmm.
dashboard is different. Okay. So reports
Hmm.
and dashboard, as you are correct in the reports and dashboard, whatever you are saying, no, that all the things we can do it. But
Hmm.
here the things are different. Okay, here like whenever if you need any PDF format of the list of records, whatever it may be. Okay, immediately the
Okay.
sales people will contact based on that particular PDF. Okay. The reports and dashboard, we can do that particular thing, whatever it may be. So here to
Okay.
get the printable view of information. Okay, whatever it may be, the things which have been available in the Salesforce, we can use this.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm giving a
Hmm.
regular assignments also, whatever it may be which I'm teaching. Okay, I'm giving the regular assignments also. So, so for the things related to the Salesforce basics, so I created some assignments also for each and everything. Configure a list view to represent only the leads where city is equal to Bangalore and which are associated with banking industry. Like city is equal to Bangalore and industry is equal to banking. Status is equal to new and priority is equal to high. Like this, you need to create all the assignments, whatever it may be, and you need to send the PDF. So take your time. So just you need to send this particular PDF in the WhatsApp group. So you'll create some WhatsApp group. So within few days, okay, within 2 days, so create that particular thing and send it in WhatsApp. Okay, just you need, this is a lead object. Okay, click on new. Okay, like we need to select that particular thing, whatever it may be. Status as new. I need to get all the records with the status as new. Just making working contact. I need to get all the people. So working contact. If you click on save immediately, I'll get all the records where the status is working contacted. Immediately you can send this particular information, whatever it may be. Yeah. Kindly please do all these assignments, whatever it may be. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach me. I'm been completely available. Definitely I'll help you the things.
Venkat, I mean, regarding the
Yes.
data, I mean, do you provide the data, anything like that, or because do we need to mention? Because for you, the lot of data I could see, but do we have the same thing in our account?
Yes, in your orgs also by default some data has been available. Yeah. By default some data has been available. Okay, for me I
Mm.
created previously to my classes. In your org also by default some data has been available. Once please check in your org, it has been available. Yeah. By default some of the accounts, leads, all things have been available. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, this is about some information about application. I created some application. Okay, let's create objects. Okay, I told you the structure is first we need to create an application. Okay, after creating an application, you need to create objects. After creating an objects, you need to create fields. After creating a fields, you need to create some other things like page layouts. After creating a page layouts, you need to create a record types. Okay, let's create objects. Okay, object represents a table. Okay, which is used to store. Okay, application or a business organization specific data. Organization specific data. There are two types of objects: standard objects and custom objects. Standard objects and custom objects. Okay, standard objects are created by Salesforce. Okay, standard objects are by default created by Salesforce. You need means you can use it. By default created by Salesforce. Okay, some of the standard objects which have been available are, some of the standard objects are account, contact, opportunity, lead, etc. These are some of the standard objects are been existed. Okay, and some of the custom objects. Custom objects are nothing but these objects are created based on the client requirements. Okay, these objects are created based on the client requirement. Okay, let's see. Like coming to, like we are in the free developer edition now. So these are some limitations. Coming to the free developer edition, we can create max of 400 custom objects. And coming to the unlimited edition, we can create features, everything is same, just only here we can create max of 2000 custom objects, that's it. Okay, so we are creating some educational application now. So in our educational application, everyone able to understand what I'm showing, what I'm saying? Tanu, Richard, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah. Okay, team.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so coming, so we created some application now, which is nothing but University of London, some educational application. Okay, so we created some educational application. Okay, inside that particular educational application, so previously the objects which are nothing but account object, contact object, opportunity object. These are all the objects which we have been previously used, whatever it may be the standard objects. And let's create a custom objects also based on the customer requirement. Let's create a custom objects also. Okay, let's create a custom objects also based on the customer requirements. Okay, there are like just I'm creating hiring manager. Let's create some other custom objects like positions, and we have different types of objects like hiring manager position, candidate, customer demographic. Okay, like hiring manager position, candidate, customer demographic. These are some custom objects which are used to be created for our application based on the client requirement. Okay, and we also create some employee, etc. Okay, for example, if you take a banking application. Okay, for example, if you take a banking application, what are the common things that being presented in the banking application? Anyone? Anyone kindly please tell me what are the common things that been presented in the banking application?
Account.
Yes, account. Account is common for each and every application. Account. Yes, it good. Good, good. Like account is common. Yes. Account contact opportunities. Normally, custom objects. These are all the things that have been given by the client normally. Okay, for it. Like we have transaction to store all the transactions and also to store all the withdrawals, to store all the deposits. Okay, like to store all the different schemes information. These are all the common things that have been presented in the banking application. Okay, for example, if you take insurance application, what are the common things that are presented in the insurance application? Like
Uh,
account contact opportunity, like custom information.
mm,
Anyone? Like normally we are doing some insurances, whatever it may. What are the common things that are presented in the insurance application?
the same account other than the account contact.
Okay,
The policy.
like
Policy.
like we have claim, quote.
Okay,
So we
claim.
have policies to store all the policies information. Okay, to store all the payments information of the claims. Okay, we have claim payment summary and to store all the invoices. For example, if a customer has been purchased some product, immediately some invoice will be created. To store all the invoices, we have some invoice object. Okay, just normally for your understanding, I'm given. Okay, let's create all this hiring manager, different types of information. Let's create. So I created all this particular data. I created a different fields information, whatever it may be. What are the things which I'm showing each and everything? So let's apply. I'll upload in the drive. Then you can access all this particular information. Yeah. Okay. Let's create. Let's create. Okay. Let's go to object manager. Let's go to create. and let's click on custom object. Okay, first let's create hiring manager. Previously I created some hiring manager, that's why I'm creating hiring manager 11. Okay, let's see if it is there means no worries. If it is a duplicate is present means okay, let's create another thing. Okay, I'm giving auto number. So I think what is auto number, I'll tell you. Okay, these are all the things in future class I'm going to be cover. For example, if any employee has been created in the organization, is been employee ID is been there or not. For example, you created some account inside some like in the banking. For example, just imagine like you're going for withdrawals and transfers in our some banking application, whatever it may be. Like you created some account. Okay, whenever you have created some account, is some account number will be allocated or not? Account number
Yes,
Yes.
it's
definitely.
been account. Huh, Tanu?
Yeah.
Definitely account number will be allocated for you. Okay, this is nothing but auto number. Okay, here also the same thing I want to applicable. Okay, whenever HR is created, immediately HR ID will be allocated. Okay, I'm mentioning HR. This is the format I'm mentioning. The HR starting number should be 01. HR minus 001 like this. It is used to be going to be start like this. It is going to be start. Okay, like this. It is going to be start. Okay. I'm been allowing this particular hiring manager information to allow reports, activities, each and every information. I'm clicking on save. It is showing this particular object name is already in use because I created previously. Okay, let me create like this. For you, you can create hiring manager. Okay, this is the hiring manager object I created. Okay, this is the hiring manager object I created. Everyone able to understand what had been created?
Yeah, you have created the new table, I mean new object.
Yes,
That's it.
I created a new object. That's it. Yes, it's correct. I created a new objects. Okay, after creating a new objects, okay, this particular object I need to be visible. This object I need to be visible. Okay, like on the like our application. What is my application name? My application name is University of East London. Okay, this particular object I need to be visible under East London. Okay, I need to create. Okay, after creating objects, you need to create a tab to make visible. I'll tell you what is tab. Okay, I'll tell you what is tab. So tab is very important. So when you created a tab for the application, then only okay, when you created a tab, then only the customer can be able to see. Okay, tab provides a collection of okay graphical user interfaces which are used to manage. Okay, tab provides a collection of graphical user interfaces okay which are used to manage the records inside the object. Okay, let's see how to create a tab. Okay, go to our home, search for tab. Okay, click on new. What's my tab name which I created? Hiring Manager 11. Okay, so immediately that particular it is not visible here. When you created a tab, then it is visible here. Okay, so I'm making as like hands or something. Okay, I'm clicking on next. I'm clicking on next. I need to include this particular tab in University of East London. Everyone able to see?
Yeah.
I'm clicking on save. Okay, let me try to refresh the screen. Everyone able to see I created some application, that particular tab is visible here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hiring managers tab. Just I created some application. Inside that particular application, hiring managers tab is been visible here. Okay. Just if you clicked on new, I did not created any fields information. Okay, just it will create like some ID. Everyone able to see HR minus 001. This is my first record which had been created.
Yeah.
Okay, what are the things which we are seeing? The same thing, the same view will be presented in the real time also. Okay, it will not be differentiated. Okay, just normally here we are using a free edition. There we can use a different edition, whatever it may be. What are the features available there? All the features have been available here. Yeah. Yes. Any doubts to anyone? Navajit, Shreyas, Tanu, Michael. Any doubts to anyone? Richard.
Yes.
Once we created the object and we can add it to the any application. So now right now
Yes,
you
yes.
added in the only one application. So like that we can add on the multiple application as well, as I
Yes,
saying.
yes, we can add multiple applications. We can normally we are adding into one application. Like we used to create a one application for that appropriate client. For that we are adding. Yeah, here. Yes. Shreyas, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes. You have
Yeah,
any
we are
doubts
also.
still here?
No, no.
Okay. This is the thing. Okay, just hiring manager object. Okay, after creating an object, okay, after creating a hiring manager object, I need to create a fields. Okay, based on the client's requirement, I need to create a fields. Okay, for example, just imagine, okay, like you're opening some banking application. Okay, you are creating some account in the banking application. Whenever you are creating some account in the banking application, like for example, you approach it to the bank. Okay, they will ask you some details. What are the details they will ask you? Okay, like they will ask your personal details and your contact details, each and every one. Okay, like what's your gender and what's your annual revenue. Okay, like whenever if they clicked on submit, whenever if they clicked on submit, these are all the data will be stored under Salesforce, whatever it may be. These are nothing but fields. Okay, these are nothing but fields. Okay, these are nothing but a fields, whatever it may be. These are nothing but a fields. Okay, these are nothing but a fields. Let's create different types of fields for our hiring manager object. Let's create what are the common things that have been presented? For example, if one educational application is there, okay, for example, if some recruitment application is there, for recruitment application, there are different types of hiring managers are available. Okay, like to hire appropriate candidate, whatever it may be. So, what are the common things that have been presented in the hiring manager? Anyone? Normally, for understanding. What are the common things that presented? Anyone? Any idea to anyone?
Candidate um,
Hmm?
to
What
fill
are the common things that presented inside the hiring manager? No, no worries. Please tell me. Just normal, like some common things are present. For example, if you go to bank, okay, to fill your account, a sales manager will take all your account or account manager. Like they will take your name, like your Aadhaar details, like for example, you're another country, they'll take SSN, social security number, IBAN, okay, international bank, like this. There are some details. In the similar way, for hiring manager, what are the common things are there? Like hiring manager name, hiring manager email, hiring manager contact number. Is these are common things or not?
Yes.
Okay, these are the
Correct.
common things. In the similar way, let's create in our okay, let's create different types of fields. Okay, in our application, let's create different types of fields. Okay, let's see one by one. Yeah, let's go to hiring manager. Let's go to object manager, and let's go to hiring manager. Okay, let's go to fields and relationships. Let's click on new. Okay, it's like a text. Okay, it's like a text. Hiring manager name is nothing but a string. Okay, I'll discuss different types of data types what are available. Okay, HR name. Okay, minimum length is I'm mentioning as like a 20 characters. Click on next. Again, click on next. Click on save. HR name and HR email ID. It's like an email data type I selected. Okay, and HR for contact number. Okay, definitely without contact number, it's very difficult for the people to contact HR. So it's nothing but I'm selecting as like a phone data type. I'm making the things to visible. Click on next. Click on save. What are the fields I created? HR email, HR name, HR contact number. Any other fields based on your understanding? Michael, Tanu, Richard, Navajot, Shreyas. Any doubts? Any idea on any other fields? These are all the common things. Any other things? Kindly please unmute. These are all the things that have been provided by the client. You need to create it. Okay. So by using custom objects, everyone able to understand what I'm showing? Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone?
No.
What about Michael? Richard?
Yes.
Richard, am I audible?
Nothing, nothing. I'm hearing. Nothing,
Okay,
nothing.
okay, okay. Are you able to
No.
understand?
Yes, I understand. I understand.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, Richard. Okay, like this. Okay, so what are the things the client will give you each and every details. Okay, based on that you need to create it. Okay, like for the hiring manager, there are some details are there. Okay, email ID. I created email ID, and like I need to create location. Location is a pick list. Okay, click on new. Clicking on next. I'm placing all the details. Location. Okay. I'm mentioning display values alphabetically. Okay, click on next. I'm making the things to visible. Click on next. Click on save. Okay, just I created a location is also a pick list. Okay, number of location. Okay, how many number of location? This is a number field. Okay, click on new. Okay, this is a number field. Again, let's click on next. Click on visible. Okay, click on next. Click on save. Okay, just I created this type of fields. Let's see what's the view. Okay, let's refresh my screen. I created some of the fields. Now let's see what's the view, exact view. Let's click on new. Okay, the fields are not been visible. Okay, because you need to go to the page layout and just you need to click on save. I'm not creating any page layout. Okay, I'll tell you the page layout. I'm clicking on save. Just I'm clicking on save. Let's refresh my screen. My screen is loading. Information is not loading. Okay, it may take some time. Okay,
I don't have the image.
what you're saying?
I don't have the image.
What image?
Screen is not visible.
The screen. I don't have the screen.
Okay, okay. I'm sharing again.
Yes.
Now, is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is now only the screen is not visible?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, just I created some fields inside my hiring manager object now. Okay, I'm making you to visible this particular fields in my application. It may take some time to make visible this particular application, whatever it may be. Okay, just you need to log out and log in again. Let's check it. Okay, again I'm going to, what is my application name? University of London. Okay, I'm clicking on new. Yes, everyone able to see the
Yes.
fields,
Yes.
whatever it may be visible. Like
Yes.
here, for example, I'm saving like Tanu, like Tanu at the rate of gmail.com and location. Okay, I'm selecting Hyderabad. Okay, I'm selecting the
Mhm.
number of locations too. I'm clicking on save. like this. One HR record I had been created successfully. Okay, like how page layout is nothing but it is easy to arrange the fields. Okay, like HR ID, HR name, location. Are you able to see? These are all the
Yes.
fields. So we can arrange all the fields in a structured manner. Okay, like in tomorrow class, I'll discuss about page layout and other fields information. In tomorrow class, I'll discuss. Okay, page layout is nothing but it is easy to arrange all the information in a structured manner. Okay, like if you need, you can arrange all the fields, whatever it may be. Just you can push HR contact number here and location here. Like you can arrange all the fields in a structured manner by using page layout. Yeah, you can arrange all the fields in a structured manner.
Richard, in my location, put Ivory Coast in
The
Africa.
location is
Ivory
nothing
Coast.
but a, hmm?
Okay, okay, okay. Côte d'Ivoire in Africa.
I did not got it. What you're saying? Location is nothing but a pick list value. Okay. So what are the things which we
Okay.
mentioned under the previous
Ah,
object?
yes, yes,
What is,
yes. Yes, I
yeah,
see, I see, I see, I see, I see.
yeah. The
Thank you,
same
thank you.
details it will be applicable here.
Yes.
Like this will create a different types of records. Look, let's see, these are all the things. Okay, this is about some information. Let's see some more other custom objects, whatever it may be. So we have, I created a like a file, okay, in a structured manner for to cover page layouts, record types, each and everything. Okay, today, so simultaneously I'm explaining one application and simultaneously I'm making you to explain about banking incidents like this. In the similar way, regular classes also I use it to simultaneously explain the information and simultaneously explain the things related to the banking, e-commerce incidents like this, different types of things. This is about today's class, team. Thank you. If you have any doubts, means you can ask me. I'm stop sharing my screen. Any doubts to anyone?
Mm,
Any
Can
doubts
I
to
get
anyone?
uh, can I get today's class recording?
Yes, yes, yes. You'll get the recording. Yeah. Yes, Tanu.
Oh,
Yeah. Yes.
thank you.
Thank you. Anyone have any doubts?
I haven't, what can I say? I was absent the last days. Can you share me
Yeah,
the
yeah, yes, yes.
video?
The previous class recordings have been available, Richard.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
The previous class recordings have been available. Yeah.
Let me send you my email. Oh,
Yes, yes, yes.
what?
Harsha training team will send you. Okay, I'll inform them. Okay.
Okay.
Like if anyone are interested, Max tomorrow is a last class. Okay, if anyone are interested, once please contact and in between. Okay, like they created some drive. Okay, and they will give you access for the drive also. Okay, in between. Okay. Once please contact the team in between. Yeah. Kindly please join tomorrow also at the same timings. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow also class is there and every day class is been continued regularly. Okay. Like kindly
Okay.
please join with the same link. Okay. This is about today's class team. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Okay. Thank
I
you.
get one more
Thank you.
question. So, do we need
Yes,
to
yes.
complete that the assignment you mentioned? So that will we will receive through the WhatsApp group, or how it will be? You will receive the email.
No, 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 no. So, like after completion of some registration, so will create some drive, Michael. In that particular
Mm.
drive, I will upload the notes regularly. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And also WhatsApp group also simultaneously will be created, Michael. Yeah.
Okay.